Hey, ever thought of earning $200 per day? I mean, damn, that's a lot of money, and who doesn't want money? Everyone does, and what if I tell you? There's a very easy technique to earn $200 every day and maybe even more? And wanna know something even cooler? It's free! Wanna know how it works? Watch this video till the end, because I will be giving you some income boost tricks throughout the video. And be sure to subscribe, because we upload more videos like this daily, making everyone's lives easier by showering our tricks with making money online. Pretty sure you wouldn't want to miss out on this. If you want to know more ways to earn money online, hit that subscribe button. Do it, and you can always unsubscribe if you don't benefit from it. But I assure you, it will absolutely be worth it. You know, we're on a mission to let everyone enjoy financial independency without actually putting in a lot of effort. So, what is this new free money-making trick, you ask? It's easy. Just watch a video for 60 seconds and boom, you have the money in your bank account. Come on, don't tell me you don't have 60 seconds of your life to give away. It's as easy as water. And wanna know a cool thing? This method of money earning is completely legal and available anywhere in the world. Also, hey, why don't you drop down in the comments which country you're from? That way, we get to know where our videos are watched. Anyways, now I will show you step by step on how this method works. So let's get started with the video. First, go to any browser you use and type into the search bar zoombucks.com. Zoombucks is a totally legit platform that allows members to earn money by completing surveys, videos, and offers in a very quick and easy way. It's a great way to earn money through the internet with barely doing nothing. The website is very user-friendly and easy to use. As you can see here, there are 3 options with which you can earn money: watching TV, surveys, and completing offers. But since we're focusing on making money by watching videos, we're gonna go ahead and save the other 2 options for another video. Why don't you subscribe and turn on the notification bell? That way you won't miss the video when it comes out. By the way, watching videos is something we do daily, and also it pays us the max amount of money among the other 2 options. Okay, anyways, let's get back to the video. Now, go ahead and click on the watching TV icon. Whoa, a new page appears. But this one seems a little confusing. But hey, don't worry. We here at Money Capital will guide you through the process and you can start earning money very easily. This page is basically about the steps to start earning. Step 1 is to create a Zoombucks account. Step 2 is to find a channel that interests you. And step 3 is to start watching TV shows or videos. Step 4 is to earn coins. Step 5 is to earn even more money by essentially just, changing your channels. And the final and last step is to exchange your points with cash or gift cards. Now I'm going to show you a live demonstration of how it works. Let's first complete the first step, which is creating an account. To do this, go back to the home page, and there you can find an option to put in your details and create an account. Just type in your email address, create a password, and boom, your account is created. Step 1 successful. Now, let's move on to step 2. But before that, I will show you a very interesting thing. Once you log into your Zoombucks account, you can see how many people have earned from this website worldwide over here. Whoa, 500 bucks? That is so awesome. Isn't it cool knowing your name could be here? Also, hey, some more cool facts. There is no limit to how much you can earn from this, and the videos reset every single day. Now, let's complete step 2. Look at the top left corner of your page, and there is an option called Watch. Click on it, and when you land on this page here, you'll see 2 boxes: Hito TV and Lootably. If you hover your cursor on them, you can see more information about it. Now, select Lootably by clicking this start button, and once you land on this page, you'll find options to choose from, categories. You can see how many points each category offers. Choose any one of them as you like and proceed. For me, I'll just go with cooking. I watch cooking videos while having my daily snacks, although they are not as delicious as in the video they showed. The ability to eat something while looking at a delicious dish makes up for it. Once you click on your chosen category, you would then be transported to another website depending on the category. You can see we need to create a free account in order to proceed. To create this account, enter your email and make a password, agree to the terms and policies, and then continue. After creating a Lootably account, you are all set to start earning. Once you click continue, you will then be transported to another page where you can find all cooking videos. Okay, whoa, that's a lot of videos to get your hands on. Now, before you start watching these, you need to know this. You need to watch a video for at least 60 seconds to be able to earn. So make sure to not skip or stop the video before watching at least 60 seconds. Hey, do you want to know a cool technique? Like a quick money boosting method? Watch several different videos in different tabs. That would make you the most money in the least amount of time. Also, if you're not using Wi-Fi or using a slow Wi-Fi, you can lower the video quality to save data. That way, your videos won't have trouble playing all at the same time. What a nice and easy way to earn money. Also, hey yo, wait, the video didn't end yet. Money Capital always cares about our viewers. That's what makes our channel different from the others. Since you have now learned how to earn watching videos, as a bonus, we will also show you how to earn from doing surveys. But before that, why don't you go ahead and hit that subscribe button? You know we upload more videos about making money online almost every day. Also, if you do subscribe, do not forget to turn on post notifications. Now, let's get back to the video. So, remember the Zoombox dashboard? Look at the top left corner of the page, and you can find surveys. Then you would be transported to a page where you can find a list of companies where they offer you surveys. Each company pays you about 50 cents, 80 cents, $1, some even $5, and so you just go with the company of your choice and start doing these surveys while your video runs in the background. And, oh well, that's about it. Easy cash. Okay, so I would say Zoombox personally is my favorite website for now, not only because I can earn money from here, I also learned a lot of new and cool things which I had no idea about from Zoombox, watching videos, and doing surveys on Zoombox. With that being said, we are at the end of the video. If you liked our video, please do give it a like, and also comment down below which country you're from so we get to know where our videos are being watched. For more videos like this, visit our channel. You know it's always free. Until then, we will catch you guys in the next video. Stay tuned!